Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to set up and edit your store footer in Shopify. First, we'll see how to hide slash unhide your store footer, how to edit it, or how to edit your existing store footer, how to add legal pages in your store footer, and also how to add new blocks to your store footer. First, go to shopify.com, then click on login to log in to your Shopify account. Now below says channels, click on online store and make sure to select themes. Now next to your current theme, click on this customize button and you will see this page. First scroll down to the bottom of your page and click or select your footer section. As you can see, this is called footer. The first thing we'll learn is how to hide slash unhide this footer section. Just click on this return icon and you will see this footer section below this footer title. Here, to hide your footer, simply click on this eye icon. As you can see, now my store has no footer. Let's check another page. As you can see, no more pages on my Shopify store shows the footer section. Now let's return to the home page. And to show your footer, it's simple. Just click on the same eye icon. Next, we'll see how to edit your existing store footer. Simply select the footer section, and here from the left menu, you can start by selecting your color scheme. For example, let's use, as you can see, the background color is changed a little bit. You can also use this black background footer and so on. And to edit these scheme colors, simply click on the edit link below each scheme or go directly to the theme settings. Now you can select which one you want to edit or add a new scheme color. Or let's edit the existing ones. Click on the one you want to edit and you can use this useful website called Coolors.co. Click on start or you can explore trending palettes or color palettes. Let's go with this one. You can just click on the color and you will copy it to the clipboard, and here you can replace it just like that. And now, as you can see, I've edited the green. I will return to the original using just Command Z or Control Z if you are on a Windows, and I will return. Now let's return to the footer section. I will keep it the scheme number 1. And below the color scheme, you can edit, you can show or hide this email sign up form. And to edit this title above this email field, just edit the heading from here. Your new heading here. As you can see, now I will return to the original. Let's show the email sign up form, and below that you can start editing, showing or hiding utilities. For example, social media icons. Now it is set to show, but since I don't have social media links added to my store, nothing or no icon shows up. To edit this or to fix this, just click on manage social accounts and look for social media, and here just type your Facebook link, any link or any social media link you add, its icon starts showing up here, as you can see. Now I will return to return to your footer settings, just click on the footer and you will return here. You can also show or hide your country slash region selector if you work on if your store available on multiple countries slash regions. Same thing for the language. Let's click on manage languages, or let's add it now. I will add, for example, Bambara. I don't know this language, so I will assign Barbara to domain. I will check these two options, and now unpublished languages. Click on publish, hit publish, and now I should see the language selector. Let's refresh this page. And now I have the language selector in my footer. Now let's keep editing our footer. Let's select the footer. Let's uncheck this, or yeah, let's keep it showing payment methods icon. Same thing, you can, when you add a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal, you will start seeing payment methods like Shopify icons here. And for the policy links, now since I only have this privacy policy page and refund policy enabled or created on my store, these are the only ones I see. Let's see how to add them. Click or how to add new policy links. Click on manage policies. A new page opens up, and here you can start seeing, let's add these terms of service, or let's add the shipping policy. Click on it. I don't have a shipping policy text, so I will try with terms of service. You can use the Shopify template. Click on insert. Make sure to read it carefully in order to replace or to add your own data. For example, your contact information, your business address, phone number, and the business registration number. Click on publish. Now store policy saved. Now you need Now go back to your Shopify dashboard, click on content and jump to menus and click on footer menu, and here click on add menu item, and the link field, select policies, and you will see your new terms of service. Click on save, and now let's refresh this page. And this is how to add a new policy page in your Shopify footer. Now, this is your footer. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now, this is your footer. Before adding a new blog, let's see how to add a new section. Click on add section. You can add an email sign up like this one. This is it. Let's delete it. You can delete it from here, remove. Now let's see how to add a blog. And blogs let you create menus like this new menu, quick links. Let's edit it. click on you can edit your new menu title here. You can select which menu you want to show. You can replace it with your header menu, footer menu, or any menu you've created on your store. Now, if you have a new block created, you can create new ones by clicking on this plus icon. You can create a brand information block like this one. Where is it? Or this was the problem. The new brand information block was hidden. So I will show it. Click on show it. And this is your brand headline here and brand description. And if I add another block, this time a text block, you can reorder them like that to see. Let's say you want your brand information on the right. Just reorder them like that. And as you can see, the blocks switched places. Click on the block you want to edit and you will see its content and you can easily edit it. Now let's see how to add an image block, and you can even add images. Let's pick an image, for example my logo. Click on done. On the left, or let's keep it centered, and add my brand information below it to show them just like that. And let's remove the subscribe form. I will click on footer, jump to and next to email sign up, I will uncheck this option. I will even delete this heading. I will return to these sections and click on heading, or I will even just hide it from here. For the language selector, click on footer, scroll to language selector and uncheck it. And this is my new footer. I want to use a dark background color, just like that. And now I want my logo to be close to my brand information. So I will return to image, select right. And that's all for how to edit or how to set up and edit your store footer in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.